Hi, my name is Nexerel Bago and I live in Paharong, West Batangas City. I'm currently studying instrumentation and control technology at Batangas State University, Alangilang Campus. Throughout my studies, I'll develop knowledge and hands-on experience in industrial automation, control system, and instrumentation. I learned how to calibrate and troubleshoot instrument, work with programmable logic controllers or PLC, and apply technical skills in real-world settings. I consider myself a responsible, hardworking, and detail-oriented person. I'm always eager to learn new technologies and improve my skills, especially in automation and control processes. I also value teamwork, discipline, and continuous growth. I'm excited to apply what I learn and contribute to a company that values innovation and precision. Thank you for watching my video resume. I look forward to the opportunity to work with you.